हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पे। तो जो आज 11 जुलाई 2026 को आइल्स का एग्ज़ाम हुआ था, उसका टास्क 1 एक प्रोसेस डायग्राम था। तो हम टास्क 2 की भी बात करेंगे। तो आप देख सकते हैं जो टास्क 1 था जो ये आया था। द डायग्राम शोज़ ए सिंपल सिस्टम दैट टर्न्स डर्टी वाटर इनटू क्लीन वाटर। ठीक है, ये डायग्राम थी। इसका जो आंसर था वो था द डायग्राम इलस्ट्रेट हाउ ए बेसिक वाटर फिल्टर सिस्टम वर्क्स टू मेक डर्टी वाटर क्लीन एंड सेफ टू ड्रिंक। द प्रोसेस involves two main container and a few steps. First, dirty water is poured into the filter barrel from the top opening. This barrel has a lid and contains 3 layers inside it. The top layer is sand, the middle layer is charcoal, and the bottom layer is gravels. These layers help to remove dirty and impurities from the water. As the water passes through sand, charcoal, and gravels, it gets cleaned. Then the clean water flows and through the pipe into the plastic barrel next to it. This second barrel is the storage drum. It has a tap at the bottom from which we can fill a glass and cup with clean drinking water. Overall, this simple system uses natural material like sand, charcoal, and gravels. The filter dirty water and provide clean and safe water from drinking. ये था हमारा टास्क 1 का सिंपल आंसर। तो अब टास्क 2 देखते हैं। तो ये था टास्क 2। टास्क 2 था द यूज़ ऑफ मोबाइल फ़ोन इज़ एज एंटी सोशल as smoking. Smoking is banned in certain places, so mobile phone should be banned like smoking. It was extend to agree or disagree. ठीक है, तो आपने दोनों साइड पर जाना था। ठीक है, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं, देखते हैं इसका सिंपल आंसर। In today's world, mobile phone have become a big part of our life. Some people believe that using mobile phone in public places is a antisocial as smoking and should be banned like smoking. I partly agree with this statement. I partially, sorry for spelling mistake. तो BP1 बनेगा इसका। On one hand, mobile phone can disturb other mobile, especially when someone talk loudly, plays videos without earphones, or use phone during meeting, classes, or in quiet places. This can be annoying and disrespectful, just like smoking bothers non-smokers in places like theaters, hospitals, and libraries. Using mobile phones can create problems, so in these places, strict rules or bans on mobile use are necessary. On the other hand, mobile phones are very useful and important for many reasons. They help us to stay in touch with family, do our work, study online, and even emergencies. Unlikely smoking, mobile phones do not harm people's health. Instead of complete ban, people should be educated to use phones in a responsible way. In conclusion, mobile phone can be nuisance if used carelessly in public, but banning the anywhere is not the right solution. Instead, awareness and proper rules should be followed so that we can enjoy the benefits of mobile phone without disturbing others. तो ये था इसका सिंपल आंसर। तो मेरी थोड़ी सी आई साइट थोड़ी वीक है, तो इसलिए मैं ध्यान से नहीं पढ़ सकता, तो सब मुझसे कुछ स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक हुए हैं, तो आप खुद एक बार रीड कर लेना इसको, ठीक है। तो बेस्ट ऑफ ऑल आपके रिज़ल्ट के लिए। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। बाय बाय, टेक केयर। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करना।